Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.